Lihat means to see or to look. Saya lihat anjing kecil di taman. I see a little dog at the park. Saya lihat mobil itu di tempat parkir. I saw that car at the parking lot. Lihat itu. Look at that. The word lihat is used to describe the physical activity of seeing something. Therefore, it doesn't work in these situations. To see a doctor. We don't say, lihat dokter, unless we just see the doctor from afar, then we walk away. We say, pergi ke dokter, which literally means, go to the doctor. I'm sick. I need to see a doctor. Saya sakit. Saya mau pergi ke dokter. To see my family. Ketemu keluarga saya. This sentence literally means meet my family. I want to go home. It's been a long time since I saw my family. Saya mau pulang. Sudah lama saya gak ketemu keluarga. When you give a response to someone's explanation by saying, I see, say, oh gitu, instead of, oh saya lihat.